Hey guys, so it has been a while since I've done an actual video on my Jeep and things that we're doing to the Jeep because you know what, life happens. We started working again and moving and doing all sorts of things. So today is the day. We've been planning this for a while, but finally got everything here to the Evo shop in Bullhead, and super excited to drop Maximus off and get a new suspension on him. We've been riding pretty dirty for a while, so we're super excited, so I can't wait to show you. Okay, here he is, his regular, pretty much stock look. And so yeah, I'm super excited for not only how it's gonna look, but how it's gonna ride, because like I said, we've been riding dirty for a while. You know, not so much like a wobble, but it doesn't like the wind. I'm pretty sure every Jeep owner knows that. But yeah, I'm super excited to get him a new suspension. It's been quite a while. Okay, so I'm super bummed that I wasn't able to stick around and actually take video of all the work being done on my Gladiator, but we are headed back to go pick it up. I'm super excited to see what he looks like. Hey guys, okay, so I am in my Gladiator after getting the lift kit from Evo, and I feel great. I feel a little bit taller today. Feeling good. So we're gonna get on the highway, see how it feels. So far so good, way better than it was. We'll see if I need an additional alignment. I don't think I will need an alignment, but you know, we'll just see how it feels and where we go from here. But he's looking pretty good. Just need to get him washed because he's definitely not clean. So anyway, talk to you soon.